Hello friends, welcome to Programming Knowledge. In our previous videos, we saw that how to apply multiple condition on a single set of data using and OR keyword. And in this video, I will show you how to display records in sorted manner. So let us first see how to do it in a terminal. Okay, so open your terminal. Okay, show databases. We will be using data test database. Sorry, data test. Okay, and which are the tables that we have? Student table. Select star from student. Okay, let us for instance some more records. Okay, insert into student values. Let's say 5 mark 2 Elizabeth being. Okay, so we have inserted two record. I want this table to be sorted according to this name. Okay, so what will we do is we will use order by keyword. Select star from student order by name. Okay, that's it. And as you can see, it is sorted and it displays the name alphabetically. First A, LX, LX, B, C, E, L, M, R. Now I want to sort the table according to this roll number. Okay, so we just write roll number here. As you can see, so by default it's sorted ascending order, and but if we want to sort it in descending order, then we can also do that. We just need to specify DESC keyword. Okay. Now you can see we can also give multiple column names in order by field. Let's say roll number and name. Okay, so as you can see, so let's just close it and open MySQL workbench. Okay, so select start from that student where roll number is greater than 14 and we want to order by it using the roll number itself, let's say. Okay, as you can see 15 comes first, 16, 17 and 18. Now we want it in descending order, so just write DESC and you can see 18, 17, 16, 15. Now I want it to sort according to its surname. As you can see, it is alphabetically. Uh, Let us try one more example. Select only name from student where roll number is less than or equal to 15. Order by roll number, let's say. Here you can see Elizabeth. Let us let us open one more SQL. Okay, so you can match, select star from student. Okay, here you can see Elizabeth has roll number 2, Mark has 5, Bridget has 10, Ritu 11 and so on. If we're descending, and it will show name in descending order. Okay, Lily, you can see Lily has the highest number, roll number 15, which we specify here, and it comes first because we have specified descending order here. Okay, so that's how you can display your records in ascending and descending order. Thanks for watching it.